I wash my hands before cooking.
I wash my hands before cooking.
I dry my hands with a towel.
I dry my hands with a towel.
I open the fridge.
I open the fridge.
I take out the milk.
I take out the milk.
I open the cupboard.
I open the cupboard.
I get a bowl.
I get a bowl.
I break the eggs into the bowl.
I break the eggs into the bowl.
I wash the vegetables.
I wash the vegetables.
I peel the potatoes.
I peel the potatoes.
I cut the onions.
I cut the onions.
I chop the vegetables.
I chop the vegetables.
I slice the bread.
I slice the bread.
I turn on the stove.
I turn on the stove.
I heat water in the kettle.
I heat water in the kettle.
I boil water for pasta.
I boil water for pasta.
I stir the soup.
I stir the soup.
I taste the food.
I taste the food.
I pour juice into a glass.
I pour juice into a glass.
I make a cup of tea.
I make a cup of tea.
I put the pizza in the oven.
I put the pizza in the oven.
I clean the counter.
I clean the counter.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I wash the dishes in the sink.
I wash the dishes in the sink.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
Great job. Speak English every day. Practice a little. Improve a lot. Learn English with fun. Follow the channel for more easy English.